Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a really quick kitchen fridge clean out and organization. We just went to Costco and Giant, which is our grocery store, and we got a bunch of stuff that we needed to like get for the fridge because we were on vacation last week. So the house is pretty empty food wise, so I thought I would clean out the fridge and reorganize with all the stuff that I bought, and I thought I would share that with you guys. So if you do like these kinds of videos, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any more of my videos, and let's get started. So we have this regular white fridge. It's kind of small, but our kitchen is small. So this is what the fridge looks like right now. It's really bare and it has a bunch of stuff in there that needs to be thrown out. This is the door. So I'm just gonna go in and get rid of all the stuff that we need to throw out, and I'm gonna clean the shelves, and then I am going to organize with all the new stuff that I bought. Alright, so I have everything out of the fridge. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe it down with some Clorox wipes. It's not too dirty, it has just a little bit of crumbs, so I'm gonna wipe them down. I'll go through. This is new. Let's throw that out. So I'm just gonna go through that drawer real quick. Alright, so these are the things that are staying in the cheese drawer. So I'm going to wipe that down first, and then I'm going to put those back in there. Alright, so this is what the fridge looks like, nice and clean. I cleaned everything out. So I'm gonna go ahead and put everything away that we just bought, and hopefully it'll fill it up a little bit more. But I don't get a lot of things because we're hardly ever home, so we usually eat out or take food for lunch from here, so we don't really have too much food. So I'm gonna go ahead and put everything back now. So I'm also going to put some of these little dessert pouches in the fridge for the baby because she likes them cold. So that is it for this quick, really easy fridge organization. So I like to put breads up here. I put the oranges up there just because I don't want it to be too crowded down here. And then the butter. In here we have ham and cheese, all kinds of cheese, and then I have tortillas on the bottom. And then we have eggs there and some fruits, the baby's little dessert snacks, dessert pouches. Then we have water and soda. We have some orange juice, some of my grape juice, and Derek's almond milk back there. And then over on the door we have condiments and olives, some garlic and lemon juice, some baking stuff. Then down here, this is our little milk area. And then we have apple juice, the last little bit of orange juice, and then some broth, some coconut milk, and a little bottle of wine. So that is the whole fridge, all cleaned out and ready to go. So all this stuff over here is just stuff that I'm getting rid of because it's been in the fridge for a long time, and it's probably all bad. So I am gonna get rid of this, and that'll be it. So if you do like these kinds of videos, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any more of my videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.